All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 7 of our January daily math. Write a 3-digit number with a 4 in the ones place. So again, our 3-digit numbers like we did yesterday. We have our hundreds, we have our tens, and we have our ones. And we need a 4 in the ones place, so I'm going to put a 4 over here in the ones place. And we can go 234. Now write this number using words. Okay, well, let's go 234. Now you may have a different number as long as you have a 4 in the ones place, and do your best trying to spell the words. I believe the answers are on the back of your blue folder though, if you want to keep using that. There are 32 cookies in the cookie jar. Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? I remember singing that one all the time. Diana's friends ate some. Now there are 19 left in the jar. How many cookies did Diana's friends eat? Okay, so we start with 32. They ate some, and now there's 19 left in the jar. So we can go and work backwards and just take out how many are left in the jar, and then that will also tell us how many they ate. So let's do some work over here. We'll go 32, and we're going to take away the 19 that are left, and that will give us how many they ate. 2 minus 9, can't do it. There's more on the floor, so we have to borrow from next door. 12 minus 9 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So they ate 13 cookies. How many cookies did Diana's friends eat? 13 cookies. Okay, draw hands on the clock to show 3:30. Well, I'm going to start with our minute hand. The minute hand is 30. And I'm going to put that all the way out. And I like touching those minutes. That's why I like to get that hand all the way out there. Okay, so I'm touching 30 minutes. And then it's 3:30. So our hour hand has to be somewhere between the 3 and the 4. Okay, so since it's halfway around, I'm going to put the hour hand about halfway between the 3 and the 4. Okay, so about 3:30. Okay. Students in Mrs. Martin's class are building squares. They use mini marshmallows on every corner. They use toothpicks on every side. How many marshmallows and toothpicks will they need to make 3 squares? Well, here's 1. So how many marshmallows are needed to make 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 4 marshmallows, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 toothpicks. So if they have 2 of them, it would be 8 and 8. If they have 3 of them, it will be 12 and 12. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they would need 12 marshmallows and 12 toothpicks if they were going to be making 3 of those squares. All right, boys and girls, great job with our daily math on that one. We'll see you tomorrow.